Did you know just 3 months of improper storage can ruin an engine? Preparation mistakes cause more damage than 10,000 hard miles. These errors quietly corrode your internals, and they drain your wallet. Today, we are exposing 10 winter storage mistakes you must avoid. Follow these fixes to keep your machine running flawlessly. Number 1. Letting the battery drain. All lead-acid and lithium batteries self-discharge over time. When a battery sits unused, it enters deep discharge. This causes permanent plate damage called sulfation. Your battery will never hold a full charge again. The fix. Use a battery tender to monitor voltage all winter. Number 2. Storing with ethanol fuel. Modern fuel is hygroscopic. It pulls moisture from the air. Water and alcohol sink to the bottom of the tank. This creates internal rust, and it clogs injectors. A fuel system rebuild can cost $500. The fix. Fill the tank completely and add a fuel stabilizer. Number 3. Skipping the oil change. Used oil contains acids and carbon from combustion. These contaminants sit on bearings for months. They cause microscopic pitting on critical metal surfaces. Old oil thickens. It becomes abrasive. The fix. Change the oil immediately before winter storage. Number 4. Underinflated tires. Constant weight on one spot causes rubber to set. This creates flat spots and permanent vibrations. It can even damage wheel bearings over time. Replacing a pair of tires costs around $500. The fix. Inflate the tires properly and use a center stand if possible. Number 5. Using plastic covers. Cheap plastic covers trap moisture. Temperature changes create constant humidity. This greenhouse effect causes rapid frame rust. The fix. Use a breathable, motorcycle-specific cover. If these secrets are helping you, subscribe to the channel. We break down the technical truths you need. Number 6. Storing a hot bike. Trapped heat under a cover creates instant condensation. Hidden moisture leads to electrical shorts and corroded connectors. Wait at least 30 minutes for the engine to cool. The fix. Use compressed air to dry tight crevices. Number 7. Neglecting chain protection. Humidity causes flash rust on exposed metal. Rust destroys O-rings and causes links to seize. A snapped chain at speed can total your bike. The fix. Apply a wax-based chain lubricant to seal the metal. Number 8. Leaving vents open. Your motorcycle becomes a winter hotel for rodents. Mice chew through expensive wiring harnesses. Their urine is highly corrosive to aluminum engine cases. The fix. Block the exhaust and intake with clean rags. Number 9. Ignoring coolant condition. Old coolant turns acidic. It loses its protective balance. This eats your water pump from the inside out. The result is blown head gaskets or engine seizure. The fix. Flush coolant every 2 years. Number 10. Skipping post-storage inspection. Turning the key and riding off is a serious mistake. Rubber seals dry out. Fluids settle. Starting a dry engine is extremely destructive. The fix. Perform a 60-second walk-around before riding. Proper storage is about preservation. Protect your machine now, and it will protect you later. Ride safe and keep it shiny.